essentially what the team at Samotics noticed is the amounts of stops and starts. So as you can see, we've got all 4 screw pumps. There's a band of 4 screw pumps. Screw pump 1, 2, 3, 4 act as a duty standby system and a duty assist as well. So what was happening with one of the sensors was set slightly wrong for screw number 1. So essentially it was kicking in, running for a really short period of time, then turning itself off, which was not obvious really, unless you were stood watching it for a long period of time. So what this will have done is, screw pumps aren't designed to start and stop very often. So you want them to start and stop at most 3 times an hour. And obviously it'll aids the internal mechanism, the sudden wrenching, stopping, starting. So essentially what we did is we dispatched a control technician to have a look at the problem. He went out, and you can see about halfway over this page, all of a sudden it drops down to a normal level. That's because they realised that the high level sensor that picked up the top of the wet well was set too low, and he adjusted it, and that got rid of the problem. And you can see straight away that there's a big drop in the amount of starts. So also, if this had carried on, this pump would have died very quickly. The amount of stop starts would have basically ruined the internal system of it, and we'd have had a catastrophic failure probably in a couple of years' time. It wouldn't have presented straight away, but it would have happened. But also we've degraded the pump, so if it's got a 25-year asset life, running it like this will have reduced that asset life considerably.